Hey guys, you should be watching this video after the first video I have in Classroom. I apologize for all of these small videos. This screencastly only allows me to do 5-minute videos at a time. So I apologize. To pick up from where we left off, I just wanted to backtrack a little bit just so you can see in Tuesday's task to access the video for you to answer the questions below. You're going to click where it says Great Migration, and then it is going to bring you to this YouTube link where you will press on it, and it should bring you to the video where you can watch it to answer the questions. The questions are in order. The questions are in order of the video. So again, when I say the push factors, I'm asking what are the reasons why African Americans wanted to leave the South, and the pull factors are going to be what are going to be the things that attracted African Americans to the North. Lastly, Wednesday's task, you're going to be reading about Jim Crow and the Great Migration. So basically, after the Civil War, African Americans began to move north. Well, after the Civil War, let me backtrack. After the Civil War, there was a 10-year period where African Americans did enjoy many civil rights and were into politics and were able to vote and enjoyed many of the freedoms that are written in the Constitution. That time period was known as the Reconstruction period, which lasted 10 years after the Civil War. But then, when the Northern armies left in 1877, that began to change. And that is when Jim Crow laws began to take into effect in places like train cars, schools, and other public locations. So that is where you would answer the questions here, where it says for number 3, what's the 10-year period after the Civil War? You would refer to the reading and what I just discussed. And then up here is going to discuss a specific court case that stated that separate and equal should be allowed. And then after that court case is discussed in the reading above, is going to be a court case that actually brought separate to not mean equal anymore. So I'm referring to the court cases that the reading is discussing above. So like I said, there are 9 questions. If you have any questions about the reading or about any of the questions, please make your comments inside of this document and I will answer your comments. Or you can text me at my number or call me from 9 to 1 and I will be able to answer your questions there as well. This assignment and also Monday's task is going to be worth 30 points. Tuesday's task is going to be worth 30 points. And then Wednesday's task is going to be worth 40 points. So in all, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday's task is 100 points. But the last assignment on Wednesday is going to be the only one that's going to be worth 40 because it is a little bit more difficult than the Tuesday and Monday tasks, which each of those are worth 30 points. Please, like I said, reach out if you have any questions or concerns. And I hope you guys have an awesome and wonderful day.